The blood of Jesus.
Jesus!
The blood of Jesus.
Now me carry this one, this first one. So now I go carry it.
Are you sure say you no go catch me?
How? No point in there now.
Jesus!
Wetin be this? Wetin be this? Jesus.
Photo. Think say they wise.
You don't know.
Blind man.
Blind people. That's how they behave. Some of them are not even blind. They come here, pretend, and use money for ritual. They have big Ogada is sending them.
Calm down. How sure are you?
No, I don't need to calm down. I know these people.
Not be juju be that.
Nna gekwaru na business back today. Make I call you back, abeg. Alpha. Bros, calm down.
Give
now.
my money.
Calm down.
Give my money. Jesus! Jesus.
Chineke.
You dey use your next generation to play.
Continue.
Jesus! Jesus. Jesus.
You don't know.
I don't chop again. I won't go.
Photo.
I won't go. Thank you.
Where are you going to?
Jesus! Jesus.
You don't sit down and eat your food now.
Eat your food.
Thank you. Thank you for what? I'm going to chop again. Thank you.
Let's try to prepare the food.
Look at your delicious meat. Calm down. So where are you going to?
Babe, see, I'm not really happy at all. See, I'm pregnant.
Pray waiting.
Pregnant.
Well, it's not a bad thing. It's a good news.
You're not angry.
Why will I be angry? Angry? Why will I be angry? It's a good news. It's supposed to have been praying for God Almighty.
You're not angry.
It's a good news. You know the only thing you have to sit very well. Don't block me. Let me get rosé.
You're not angry.
No. I'm coming.
Okay. Oh my God. You. Jesus.
The blood of Jesus.
But I go my village.
Jesus! Jesus!
My children's school fee now is secure.
Jesus.
Thank God for the pregnancy. At least my children's school fee is secure. Let's go inside, sir. Let's go inside. Let's go.